Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how we create a user in Salesforce Lightning as well as a Classic Edition. So let's begin by understanding what are user in Salesforce. So in simple terms, anyone that logs into a Salesforce is considered as a user, and every user in Salesforce has account. The user is identified by their user account, and the services and the information they can access are determined by their user account settings. And in Salesforce, each user includes username, first name, last name, email address, license, profile, and role. So let's learn to create a user in Salesforce Lightning as well as a Classic Edition. So here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in a Lightning version. So now you have to click on this quick find search box, and here you have to type the users. So now you have to select the users. It successfully opened the user setup. Now you have to click on this new user button to create a single user. We can also create a multiple user, but in this tutorial we will learn to create a single user only. Now enter the journal information of the user and make sure that a username is unique in the form of a email address. So here I create a user with the name John and the last name as a David. It automatically set up the alias, and after that I have entered the email address, and it automatically fetch up the username according to the email address. But now make sure that the username is unique. If you want to add a company name, you can also add it, and you can also add the department name, but these are the optional fields. If you want to add the company name and the department name, you can also add it, but these are the optional field. Now after that you have to specify the role, user license, and a profile for applying restriction on the user. So here I click on the role and I select the role as a marketing team. Then I click on the user license, and here I set it to the Salesforce platform, and I change it profile to the standard platform user profile. You can also add the mobile number or mailing address of the user, and these locale settings are the necessary fields you have to set it. So by default it is set it. I remain it as it is, and now I click on this save button. So with this we have successfully created a user in Salesforce Lightning Edition, and this shows us all the detail of the users, and it will also send the email to the users that we have created. So I open my email box, and you can see that here I got a mail from the Salesforce. So when I open it, this is a verification mail. So it will tell me to check my username, and here you can see that it shows my username. Now I have to click on this verify account. So now it moved to the next page and asked me to reset my password. This is the user end site. So when I click on this reset password button, it will redirect to page where we have to set a new password, and these are the guidelines for creating the password. Like, password must have 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number, and you also have to set the security quotient. So you have to change your password and user can successfully log in into their account. So now we will move ahead and learn to create the user in Salesforce Lightning Edition. For this you firstly have to move to the Lightning Edition. You have to click on this avatar, and here you will get the option of switch to a Salesforce Classic. So click on this and you have successfully redirected to the Salesforce Classic Edition. So now you have to click on this setup option. So now on this left hand side you can see that we have a administer, and under this we have a manage user drop down. So click on it, and under this you will get the users option. So click on this user option. Then you have to click on this new user button. You can also create a multiple user in Salesforce Classic also. So now you have to add the necessary information of the users that you want to create. So here I create a user William Henry it automatically set up alias. Then you have to enter the email address and it automatically set up the username, but make sure the username is unique. You can also set the company name, department name or a title if you want, but these are also optional fields. Now you have to set the role. So here I set the role to the director, direct sales. Now you have to select the user license. Here I set it to the Salesforce platform and I set its profile to the standard platform user. So you can scroll down and set phone number, extension, fax number, mobile number, anything. You can also set the email address and locale setting if you want to change it. But I leave these locale settings as it is and click on this save button. So here you can see that it successfully create a user in Salesforce Classic Edition, and these are the detail of the user that is created. So now I will show you how the user sites look. So user will get the email, and here you can see that the user get an email for the verification of the account. So when user open her mail, it will get the email for the verification. So click on this verify account button. The user will get the reset password page. So when the user click to the reset password page, it redirect to the change your password page. So now user have to set the password that has 8 character, 1 letter and 1 number, and the user also have to set the security quotient. So when user change their password, it get access of the Salesforce account. So with this we have learned to create a user in Salesforce Lightning as well as a Classic Edition. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.